you would pick your fishing line. You are using size 0.6. You pick 1, 2, 3. So this is what we have. Then you use the deep green to do the cross threading. This is it. So when you are continuing, you would pick one of this, one of this, one of this. So you have to pay attention to the colors. The same color has to continue. Then I use the deep green to do the cross threading. If you are joining us for the first time, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to get first-hand notifications on future updates. So this is what we have. And based on our design, we want to skip this bead, then move on to this bead. So your inner thread goes on to the immediate bead. Through this bead, through this, then it comes here. So we've skipped. It goes on to this, pass through this, and it comes here. Through the down bead. Then it passes through the green bead. Then it comes into this bead. So you see that we've skipped this bead. We've moved onto the second bead. We are building on with another color. Pick my mauve. I picked one, then one of this color, and I picked another mauve and use that one to do the cross thread. After that, I'll pick one mauve, one of this color. This color goes first. Then I use the mauve color to do my cross threading. If you are joining us for the first time, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to get first-hand notifications on future updates. If you are a regular too but haven't subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe and share the video. Don't forget to like the video and share. Let me know your concerns and views in the comment section. Or you can join my WhatsApp group by clicking on its link in the description box. We picked our mauve color, one, and I'll pick this color, one. So I picked two of the mauve color and one of this plain one. Then I attach my key chain. We want to secure our fishing line. Passes through the chain, through the bead, through this mauve. We are securing our knots. We are making it invisible. Cut our excess fishing line. This is our key chain. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel.